Ramadan is coming. After 3 or 2 days, we're gonna fast and enjoy Ramadan, getting closer with God. Ramadan is the holy month of Muslim for the Islamic calendar, and every year Muslims gonna fast for a month to sunrise to sunset. So why I'm here telling you Ramadan and the important why fasting is important in this month, especially this month for Muslim. It is essential. You fast. You need to fast in Ramadan and to closer you God, to understand people who cannot eat, who people struggle with striving. So, however, in China, as they call Xinjiang in East Turkestan, people cannot be fast. Yeah, I'm expecting Chinese propaganda to show to the world again they're fasting freely, they're enjoying Ramadan. But the other hand, when I was China, they did the same thing to the Uyghur Muslims. I was fasting and I went to school. But when I went to school, the Chinese teacher told me to eat something. Not only me, to all of the Uyghur Muslim. And we weren't expecting that. And I reject that. Not to eat, not to drink. And Chinese government punish us, discipline us, just because we're fasting. We didn't anything wrong to the Chinese government. We didn't anything. And the whole Uyghur population did nothing to the Chinese government. But what they did, what Chinese did, attack our religion and claim Ramadan is a virus. You think the most Islamophobic country is France or a European or Western country? Actually not. China is the best homophobic country in the world. They don't show you. The only people who coming from East Turkestan can understand this, because the Chinese Muslim want to stand up Chinese government, but they cannot, because as long as they against the Chinese government, their family, their relatives will be in danger. They could be in prison if they speak against the Chinese government. And the Uyghur Muslims, it is 10 times worse for Uyghur Muslim, because we are not Chinese, we're not claiming we're Chinese, we coming from the one of the Turkic group, we're calling us Uyghur Turks, not Chinese. And I told you one of my video why China assimilating and want to destroy our culture, our nation, our religion, because we're not Chinese and we don't want to be Chinese. We just want peace, living in peace, freely praying in mosque and home. We just want to be a better person. But Chinese don't want that. Chinese want you to become communist. Want you become a member of Chinese nations. That's why. That's the reason they are forced the people change their religion, change their language, change their identity. Don't be shocked when Chinese media post video about us and Uyghur people saying, "Oh, we're fasting. We're just normal," because they have no freedom. They cannot speak against China. They cannot criticize China. And I talked so much because I have to remind that Chinese government not let you to criticize themselves. They are afraid of this. I'm 100% sure Uyghur people will gonna fast, and Chinese government and again force and break their fast. However, I just want to tell you how Uyghur people fasting in holy month Ramadan, and they're waking up in 3 or 2 a.m. and not open light and trying to make any noise, because when the Chinese police hear them, they immediately will be sent to the jail or the concentration camps. In the morning, I think especially this Ramadan, they were gonna collect people to run in 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. because they don't want the people fast. And the breaking fast time coming, I'm 100% sure they're gonna collect people again to listen their red songs and red propaganda, Chinese propaganda. So I just wondering you people to stand up this, stop the genocide, and accept this is a genocide. I'm sure you guys know already this propaganda, this Chinese propaganda is fake. We should make a change for Uyghur Muslim, for the humanity. This is not only about someone Muslims, and just because Uyghur Muslims and want to protect their religion, want to protect their nation. This is about humanity. This is about your conscience. If some country committing genocide, we should against them, because genocide is not a good thing. I'm sorry for my explanation, because guys, my English is so broken. So anyway, I hope you understand this situation, because China will not stop with us. China will spread their nationality, spread their Chineization to the whole world. And until next video, stay safe, learn something for yourself, for your life, and protect your humanity. I'll see you next video. Take care.